Take 500. We're gonna pull a prank on my stepmom. We're gonna use her hair dryer and baby powder. Okay, now you just have to put the baby powder into her blow dryer.
I can't get much longer, man. I've been waiting all night now.
What's in here?
I think.
Smells like baby powder.
No.
Is that why Marvin was up here?
Hey, what's going on up there?
Huh?
What's going on up there?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's find out. Haley.
Especially in my pastel on my bass shit. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel, homie. Take 6 and take this, haters.
Going slow.
I'm done shaving my legs.
Make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause